was making this corn roll myself. Just fair with the face facing down like you poo-pooed. She not the face to disappoint me. Say them, go feel it. Quick. This is the headquarter of all madness. See my room. I'm just trying to be optimistic about posting this video. Hi, good morning. So welcome to another vlog. Today is on Sunday and very early. My husband is not around and I just want to get ready for church before he comes back, because he was going to come back this morning and join us to go to church service. So it is currently 7:56 a.m. My eye is so dry because I did not sleep early last night. I was making this corn roll myself last night so that I can be able to wear wig this morning. So stay tuned. While I was eating water for us to bathe, I went to spread the clothes I washed the previous day so that while I'm gone it can get dried. I wanted to show you people my outfits I wore and some other stuff, and my phone fell. This is my phone. This is what it's showing right now. See, it's blind. I cannot even do anything on it. It just fell with the face facing down like this. So I was sad, but I had to continue this vlog. I had to wait for my husband to come back, so I used this phone to continue this vlog. And I'll give you guys a full look of my outfits when I go outside. Yeah. You're allowed. You poo-pooed. Ha! We're already ready. Me and Ishe were wearing the same outfit, and Daddy is on his own. Yeah, let's go. After church, we came to do some little shopping for the things we don't have at home. Yuri Pushko. She not the face to disappoint me. Take a biscuit. Thank you. Because I was unable to give you people an outfit tour before service because I was in a hurry and I was so sad because my phone got broken. This is an outfit tour. Hey, say them, go feel it. Check me out. Check me out. Come on. Come on. Tease us, tease. Mommy Riola with the tease. Good morning. So this is Monday morning. Yeah. Monday morning talking about me, why I'm making money. So it's like I think 2:09 or so, and I stopped recording content yesterday because my husband got to come out and there was no fun for me to record content. So I just want to record this morning before he goes out. This is what my phone is looking like right now. See, I don't know if people can see. It's getting blind completely. I hope I will be able to fix it today because this one is not extra expensive. I put the phone on the window instead of using a tripod and this happened. My baby just woke up now and I want to prepare breakfast. Make a child come out for inside this house. Make I see what this street get for us, if we'll be taking akara and pap or if we'll be eating noodles. What my plate is looking like. Shine and this is what your regular plate is looking like. This entire plate of food, you finish chow. Leave there! Don't lick it or brush your teeth. See See when I tell make you brush teeth, they lick toothpaste. Urella. Teeth. So I will go and bathe Urella, change her clothes, and so that she'll go and play. This is like my outfit of the day. Nothing special. Just want to be flexible around the house. It's time for me to show you people how dirty my house is and how I'll manage to clean it today because leave there! See my sitting room. This is not all of you. If I tell you a 1 year 6 months old did all of this yesterday, we just finished eating here and I've not cleaned up this place. Like this. Then okay, now everything. See our room. This is the headquarter of all madness and all. Then this is our room. I was learning how to do some cutting tutorials here yesterday. See our wardrobe. She was the one that did all these things. These was clothes I washed inside the week and I've not folded them yet. These are the dirty clothes we wore to church yesterday. When I'm done cleaning the house, I'll just wash them. Why are you crying? Urella, come let me carry you. Finally, I am done cleaning the house. It's currently 3 o'clock. My eyes is shaggy. Let me show you around. This is outside, sparkling clean. And this is inside. Like I am so proud of myself right now, people cannot even imagine. So everywhere is so clean right now, as you can see. Then kitchen too. All these my cabinets that are empty. It's my husband that tricked me into taking them out and told me he's going to fix them. I did not fix them, put them in another room. I even washed the plates that we used to eat noodles this morning and cleaned everywhere. Yeah, this is my daughter's area. Then passage is clean and other stuff. See my room. My room is also clean. My room is clean. The other pillow, don't ask me where it is, Sha. And this is my daughter's room. Also clean. Like, I cannot be more proud. I cannot be more proud of myself, right? Then we have one extra room. Take this as a house store cupboard that was supposed to be in the kitchen. This is where my husband put them. Bad mom. We ate noodles in the morning. Urella ate cornflakes in the afternoon. I also ate noodles with my husband again in the afternoon. And now I'm doing bread and fry egg this evening. Today is not just one of those days where I'll cook healthy, but at least I'll try as much as I can. On Tuesday morning, and I was preparing pap for breakfast. Pap, akara. I don't even know what I prepared again, but I know I was preparing pap. I love adding soya beans to my baby's food. Like, the result is always amazing. So I added soya beans and milk to our food. This is a perfect definition of everything is going on well, and boom, the next minute I don't even know what I was thinking. Hi. So today is Tuesday and it's currently past 3 p.m. Irela is sleeping right now. She's sleeping. And I don't know, I don't just feel like creating content that much today or just videoing whatever is going on. My phone is still yet to be fixed. My husband took it out today. I don't know if he'll be able to fix it. What else? It's completely blind now. I'm just feeling down on the unnecessary expenses that phone is putting us right now. Plus, I'm using my husband's work phone to record this video. I don't know what we're going to eat for dinner yet, but fingers crossed. Hope I'll be more of a better person today. Then what else? And yeah, I'm just trying to be optimistic about posting this video. At least somebody has to start from somewhere, right? So that's it.